Mother, kailangan butones eh. Naalis pala. Kailangan butones. Grandma will fix it, Gilana. All done? Oh, you fix it? Okay. Oh, yay. Antok. Wow. 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 Andun na si Mother. Mangangahoy siya. Oh, ready? You, oh, be careful. Look at Gilana, Julene. Go run! Go run! Okay, I'll video them. Okay, okay. Whoa, you did it. Can I video your sister? Julene, are you gonna run with Jade? Are you, okay. Gilana, I'll be back, okay? Okay. Are you gonna run with Jade too? Okay, ready. Not yet, there's a fire there. You be careful, there's a fire. Alin? Ipa, Julene, have daddy take it out that wood, the stump, yeah. Huh? You have to tell daddy, please. That's your project. Pinano ko sa kanya. Iurong mo dun sa gitna, mother, kasi naglalaro sila dito. Ilagay mo dito sa gitna. Yung apoy. Iurong mo na lang dito sa gitna dito. Para hindi maano. Cake! Oh! Wow! That's so close. Yeah. Jade did. I noticed it today. Four. I don't like that babalu thing kind of thing. That's why I don't like it because see you're doing it again. Yeah, it's close. You learn to smile like babalu now. So listen, don't listen to me. It's not good. That's why I said it's not good. You smile naturally. I tried to you to stop it. It becomes so natural for you being babalu now. Yeah, because no. Oh. No, 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 no. No, no. Kapit. Smile. La. The stamp. No, you come here. We have to see it, Gilana. No, that's mean. That's really mean. That's mean. Nay, matamaan yung mukha mo dyan. La, la, la!